para po mapalakas pa ang ekonomiya ng bansa at makapagbahagi ng kalaman pagdating sa larangan ng pakikipagkalakalan at komersyo. Nagtipon-tipon ng mga eksperto sa pagdinegosyo sa inilunsad na business networking event sa Taguig ngayong araw. Yan ang ulat ni Katrina Concebido.
Sa temang Make My Day, Empowering Entrepreneurs for a Better Future, isang business networking event ang inilunsad sa Manila Polo Club sa Taguig City. Sa tulong ng Rotary Club of Makati Bel Air, JCI Makati Princess Urduha, Business Network International Premier at Zumanity Group, layo ng nasabing event na pagbuklo ng mga negosyanteng kaanib ng iba't ibang mga organisasyon. Dahil dito, magiging mas madali na ang pakikipagkalakalan at komersyo na makakatulong para makagawa ng trabaho na mag-aangat sa ekonomiya ng bansa.
This is what we expect to happen among the business, different professions, to network for the better of their company and the country. And pag nagawa mo yun, your day is made.
Inaasahang lalahok sa event ang humigit kumulang 300 participants mula sa iba't ibang organisasyon tulad ng Rotary, Management Association of the Philippines, Philippine-Korea Economic, PCCI, and BNI.
We wanted to collaborate with each other. So iba-ibang organizations yung nandito. We have the Rotary Clubs, we have BNI, Business Networking, we also have Lions Club, we have NREA, National Real Estate Association of the Philippines, Makati Tourism Foundation, we also have Philippine-Korea Economic Council, and many more. This is the first time that the Philippines is having a collaboration of different organizations. Of course, they're gonna meet a lot of new people, a lot of new prospects, and a lot of different business owners. So of course, if you can meet more people, you can do more business, you can give more as a part of our social civic organization.
Nilahukan din ang event ng mga dekalibreng speaker gaya ni na Attorney Agnes De Venadera, President and CEO of Clark Development Corporation, ASEC Leonila Baluyot ng DTI Regional Operations Groups, at ang tanyag na arkitekto na si Architect Felina June Palafox Jr. upang ibahagi ang kani-kanilang kaalaman at karanasan sa kanya-kanyang larangan.
This event is a good opportunity to share our advocacies for our country. Can be and should be a first world economy by 2050. But we should start now with the Philippine Development Plan 2023 to 2028 under the leadership of President Bongbong Marcos, Build Better More. And I should add maybe build better, more, verde and blue with the environment in mind. And this is a good networking for collaboration, teamwork, future-proofing our country.
Katrina Concebido para sa Bayan.